Hey cruisers, we're sailing on Symphony of the Seas and we want to give you a tour of our neighborhood stateroom in Central Park. Let's go. Here's a balcony room with a Central Park view on deck 11. Okay, when you first walk in, you have your mirror, a table, let's see. You have 1, 2, 3 ports, and then one of these universal ones. You have some USB ports. This light for your vanity. Gotta do your makeup, get ready. Got a chair right over here that pulls out. And then right across from it, you have a couch. And then your first closet. This one is a long closet. On the other side is the other closet. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 shelves. And some hanging space. And then we have a safe. This safe is small, you guys. It's gonna fit a phone. I don't even think really it fits an iPad. Yeah, it's pretty small. You definitely can't fit a laptop in there. And then you have 2 drawers. And then over here you have the beds. So this layout has the beds by the door, but it makes it really tight right here. I'll show y'all. You have a full-length mirror. Get ready with your TV that has no good channels. Not even a good, like, just movie channel playing. Okay, so if you have it configured this way with 2 beds, it's really tight right here in between the door and this bed. But some of these balcony with the Central Park view, some have the bed over there, like, you know, the layout is switched. But with this one, woo, it's a little tight. It's tight. Not my favorite, but hey, I'm not mad at it. All right, let's go to the balcony. Here is the view. We loved it. Here is the balcony. For the most part, we did not have a problem with sound. By the beds, you have lights. Let's see. So you have one here and you have one right on the other side of that bed. And you have another outlet. All right, we have some drawers here. For your clothes, hair dryer, and then we have the mini refrigerator. Yeah, this refrigerator gets cold. Good job. This refrigerator gets really cold. Really, really cold. So we loved it. There's some kind of combination on it. I don't know what that is. We didn't use that. So I can't tell you. Let's head towards the bathroom. Right outside the bathroom, you have a thermostat, cold, warm. You have the bathroom. You have hooks on the door, 2 hooks on the door. Always needed. And then here's your shower. Oh my gosh, the water gets nice and hot. Nice and hot. Let's go in. You have some more shelf space. An adjustable shower head. And y'all, like I tell y'all, it gets hot. I enjoyed these showers. And now you have your shelves, 1, 2, 3 shelves. Your sink and some counter space. And then underneath, you have a little bit of storage under there. Standard cruise toilet. Overall, I would recommend this room.
if you don't mind a little background music every once in a while.
That's a balcony room with a Central Park view on Symphony of the Seas.